1. App Operation Guide. Download KNOBWELL app. Option 1. Search KNOBWELL in App Store for iPhone in Google Play Store for Android. Option 2. Scan the QR code on the right to download the app. Register and log in. Please note, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and keep phone close to the door lock in the next steps. Connect the Smart Lock 2 app. Please follow the steps in App. App Lock Unlock. Touch to unlock, hold to lock. Change administrator password. Once the door lock connects to the app, an admin password is automatically generated. You can modify it according to your needs. Please follow the steps in app. How to set passwords. You can set different types of passwords according to your needs, with up to 250 passwords allowed. Please follow the steps in app. How to set fingerprints. You can set different types of fingerprints according to your needs, with up to 50 fingerprints allowed. Please follow the steps in App. 2. Keypad programming. You can also use keypad to set your passwords or fingerprints. Change administrator password. If the door lock has never been connected to the app, its initial admin password is 123456. You can change it according to your needs by following the steps above. How to set passwords. You can follow the steps above to set a 4 to 9-digit password according to your needs. Press the unlock sign again to exit the setting mode. How to set fingerprints. Press your finger on the fingerprint reader for 5 times to add your fingerprint. Press the unlock sign again to exit the setting mode. How to change user passwords. You can change the user passwords by following the steps above.